Go to cadmapper.com, then search the area you would like your data from. You can choose anywhere to draw a rectangle and create your file. Select Create File to produce your file. Then select Download. It will come as a zip file, so you need to right-click and select Extract All to access your file. Open your file and create a layer called Roads. Right-click on Outline Layer and select All. Then type Hatch and all your roads will appear colored. Select the created hatches and then type Explode to turn them into surfaces. You now have all your roads as surfaces, which you can extrude and add materials to.